Today in this video we will learn about the horizontal rule in HTML5. So previously we have seen that how we can use the heading tag and the paragraph tag. This heading tag is used to define the heading, and this p tag is used to define the paragraph. So let me just show you the output of this code. So here we have, like, this is heading 1, this is some text, this is heading 2. Now if you want to partition that content, so how we can do, we can use the horizontal rule tag, which is the hr. So let me just try the hr tag here. So this one is like this, and we do not need to open and close this tag. You can just use the hr, and here also the hr. If I just save this and I want to refresh, so you can see the line is there just to separate all this text. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.